Hey there, welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you how to delete unliked videos on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. First of all, you have to click on the TikTok app. The app will appear in front of you. Now Now click on the profile. This type of screen will appear. You can see that there is option of like videos. There is heart. Click on this heart option. All the videos that you liked in your TikTok will appear here. Now select any of the video and you want to delete this video. Now click on this heart. Your video will be unliked and will be removed from your gallery. Now you can see there is no video that we have unliked or deleted from like history. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.